Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your earpads on your Sony XM6 headphones. So this is just in case if you ever have worn out earpads or they're dirty, you want to know how to repair them or replace them. This video will show you how to do so step by step. For this specific repair, all you will need is a pry tool. We do have these available on our store. The link will be down in the description where you can purchase these. We also will be offering a mail-in repair service for the XM6s. Without further ado, let's get into it. So to remove the earpad, you just grab the pry tool. It's super simple. You want to get underneath here where the charger port is located on the right side, and you just pry up. Once you hear it unclip from the bottom, you could just pull the earpad off. Usually if you're buying earpads, they'll come with the new mesh piece. This you could just peel like so. And that is how you remove the earpad from the right hand side. For the left hand side, we'll do the same thing. Get underneath where the AUX jack is, pry up. We heard the bottom unclip. We could just pull off the earpad like so. And same thing, we have a mesh that's located here. You can just peel it. It's on double-sided adhesive, but it peels easily. There you have it. That's how you remove the earpads with just the pry tool. Now for the installation process, just be the same thing, but backwards. Put the foam mesh piece in, and on the earpads, you know which one is left and right because there's a little indicator right there. It's really hard to pick it up on camera, but it shows the letter L for the left side. Where it shows the indicator, that's how you know that that's the bottom piece of the earpad. So you just want to line it up, push down, you'll hear it clip into place, tug on it, make sure it's secure, and we're just going to repeat the same steps for the right hand side. Install our mesh. Right here we have the right indicator, so we know this is the bottom. If you flip it and you have the bottom facing up and the top facing down, it's not going to work because these pins and clips are matched with the indents that are on the main driver. So we'll just set it down, make sure it's lined up, push down, hear it clip into place, give it a nice tug, earpad is secure, and that is how you replace the earpads on your Sony XM6 headphones. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.